guys, and welcome back to Titan Trading Channel, where we're going to talk about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. For now, I'll be focusing on analyzing technical charts, and I'll share my personal opinion based on my experience as a full-time trader. Before we dive in, do feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find the information helpful. Feel free to drop any questions any questions that you have in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Just a heads up, everything shared in this video is my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say in this video as buy and sell calls. Alright, so today we'll be looking at CloudPT BHD. I believe over the past week I didn't really make any sharings because market has been quite muted. But I saw something pretty interesting going on CloudPT, so I decided to make a video today. Alright, so CloudPT was actually a tech IPO stock that listed during end of May, debuted around the 75 cents all-time high, and since then had been taking quite a hit, going back all the way towards the 48 to 57 cents level, and it has been consolidating over the past 2 to 3 months, 2 months, right? So obviously I already plotted the major support and resistance levels and have my Fibo tool already done. So what we see here is a box consolidation pattern, right? Basically a range trade between support of 48 cents and resistance of 57 cents. So up, down, up, down, up, down, and yeah. So recently, it was able to form a pretty strong support around the 50 cents level, break out from this 52 cents immediate resistance level, and from there had been rallying up towards the 56, 57 cents major resistance level. Now, what could this be here, right? So usually a box consolidation pattern is it could be a distribution pattern or an accumulation pattern, right? Now, judging from the movement for CloudPT here, it looks more like it's an accumulation pattern because it debuted high at 75 cents, dropped quite a bit, and I think it is a 30+% retracement there, and had been consolidating here over the past 2 months without much volume as well, suggesting that some sort of collection had been going on here. Now, the most important thing that we should take note of is that if able to break out from this 57 cents resistance, then it could head on towards the 60 cents level or 60, 63, 65 cents resistance already. And that will be forming a new uptrend rally here after 2 months of consolidation pattern, right? But worst case, I mean, not to say worst case, but if this pattern plays out, like the sideways consolidation is still legit, then it would face huge selling pressure here, retrace back, and head back towards 48, 50 cents level and just consolidate here and continue its sideways pattern, right? It has previously done so here around end of June, where it sort of had a breakout towards the 57 cents region and faced through selling pressure and retraced back again, right? And during mid of July, it also attempted to break out, but also sort of failed. But this time it does look pretty strong on the hourly chart because the candlesticks are looking pretty strong here compared to here and here. So with this kind of closing, I will be expecting potential rally up back towards the 60 cents region, right? If able to sustain this kind of buying momentum. But of course, if unable to break out, could retrace back towards 53, 55 cents level, form a higher low, and then break out back as well, right? That's also possible. So for now, looking pretty good here for CloudPT. Definitely will be monitoring it closely. And yeah, I do expect a sort of breakout here and hopefully an uptrend continuation pattern after consolidating for 2 months plus without much volume. All right. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you find the information helpful, do feel free to share this video to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated to all our future content. And yes, have fun trading.